Welcome to the Promoto chain maintenance video. Start by wiping the chain down with a clean cloth, removing all dirt and debris. Lightly apply some of the included dry chain lube to the chain links. Spin the rear wheel to work the lube fully into the chain and wipe away any excess. Do not use any lubricant that is not dry lube. Other lube or oil can attract dirt and may lead to chain lockup. Check the chain tension by pressing down on the top side of the drive chain, approximately halfway between the front and rear sprockets. When correctly tensioned, the chain should be as taut as possible without causing any tight spots when the rear wheel is rotated. If the chain contacts the top of the swing arm, adjust chain tension tighter by moving the rear axle insert back 0.25 millimeters. Remove the M4 nut from the rear wheel and pull the M4 axle out of the rear wheel and swing arm. Push the rear wheel hub assembly forward to loosen chain tension. Remove the chain, take off the wheel, and set it aside. Press or pull out the chain tension adjuster inserts from the swing arm. The spacers installed at the factory may vary. These spacer pills are marked with a number and arrow to show the distance and direction from the zero position the spacer will move the axle. Always install the spacer adjusters as a matching set, with the hole towards the rear of the swing arm. This will ensure correct orientation. Firmly press the spacer adjuster pill into the swing arm to snap them in. Install the rear wheel, working the chain around the sprocket. Install the M4 rear axle and the M4 nut. Rotate the rear wheel to ensure it spins freely and recheck chain tension.